Applying to the TSA, the hiring test is really a speed test of visual reasoning, and most people lose to the clock, not the questions. Here's exactly what's on the 2026 test and how to pass it. First, the name, because it matters when you search. The current test is the TSO Assessment Battery, the tab, and it's a proctored, computer-based test. You get about 3 weeks to schedule it once you're invited. And there's no published pass score. You just clear their cutoff. What does it look like inside? TSA doesn't publish that. So everything specific you'll hear, including here, comes from test prep providers who rebuilt it from candidate reports. They describe the same thing, a few tightly timed visual spatial sections, and the one thing everyone agrees on is the clock. It's fast. Now search TSA test and you'll drown in old X-ray back drills. Two honest things, TSA's own posting still mentions X-ray image aptitude, so don't assume it's gone. And they're rolling out new 3D CT scanners, so the assessment can vary by airport and overtime. Don't pour all your prep into one format. Read the instructions in your invitation. Underneath every version, the real skill is the same. Read images fast and accurately. The section with the worst reputation, 2D to 3D shape folding. A flat net folds up into a 3D solid and you pick the solid it makes. It's the slow one because you're rotating and folding in your head while the timer runs. The trap is which faces end up next to each other versus opposite. The shortcut is the opposite faces rule on a cube net, 2 faces with exactly 1 face between them in a straight line fold into opposite sides so they can never touch. That one rule kills wrong answers fast. There's a full deep dive on this section on the channel. Next, connect the dots and forget the kids' puzzle because this is nothing like it. Scatter dots each labeled and you click them in the right order as fast as you can. No picture appears. It runs in rounds, numbers, then letters, then the hard one, mixed. 1, A, 2, B, 3, C. The mixed round is the trap, because your brain keeps switching between numbers and letters while the clock runs. The shortcut, look ahead. While you click the current dot, your eyes are already finding the next 2. Keep a steady rhythm and never freeze. Third, image matching. 1 target image and a row of near identical options. Pick the exact match fast. Here's the rule that catches people. A rotated version still counts as a match, but a mirror image does not. So the trap is a mirror hiding among rotations. The shortcut, lock onto one asymmetric detail, a notch, a hook, which way a corner points. Under rotation, it keeps its handedness. A mirror flips it. Notice the pattern. Every section is a speed test, so train for speed, not just for getting it right. 3 habits carry the whole test. 1, one anchor per figure, a single feature you track. 2, answer first elimination, knock out the impossible options first. 3, if you stall, make your best guess and move on. The clock is always running and there are no hero questions. And passing the tab is just the first gate. Here's what's next, straight from TSA, a structured interview, a drug screening, and a medical evaluation, including color vision, plus vision, hearing, and joint mobility checks. Then a background investigation. Clear all that, and you land in the ready pool, waiting for your airport to have a spot before training at the TSA Academy. The test is what stands between you and all of it. So that's the 2026 TSA test, shape folding, connect the dots, and image matching. All of it a race against the clock. Start with the shape folding deep dive on the channel. The other 2 are coming next. And if you want full-time practice for every section, it's all in the PrepTerminal TSA course. Link below. Train the anchor, beat the timer.